everyone, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do a popular TikTok trend, which is the #1 baby dance, and it is very, very easy. Like, you're going to learn it in 3 minutes or even faster because it's so easy. So let's just get started, but don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any video, and also click the bell so that you get notifications every time I post. And okay, now let's get started. So we're going to start by doing this movement. So it's like a row, you know, some people do the rows like this. So it's like one hand is over here, down here, and one hand is up here. And our hands are in fists. So it's one. Then we're going to do this thing. It's like what cowboys do. I don't really know how this movement is called, but we're just going to do a circle with our hand. And our left hand is in the same position it was before. So we're going to do, let's just call it whoa because it looks like a whoa almost. So whoa and then circle. Now we're going to do an A. So basically we're just going to one side with our right hand and then to the other side. And then it says something about crazy. So we're just going to do this movement. And our hands are also in fists, almost in whole dance, our hands are in fists. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, crazy. So we're just going to move our heads slightly to the sides, and our hands are also going to the sides like this. And that's it. So let's do it once more from the beginning and we'll go on. So, whoa, circle, A, and crazy. And now we're going to do a normal whoa. Well, some people actually do the whoas like this. Some people do these whoas. But the whoa we're going to do now is like this. So we're just going to pretend we're throwing something and catching it. And now we're going to clap, and you know what? We're almost done. So let's start from the beginning. Whoa, circle, A, and crazy, whoa, clap. And now we have 3 movements left. So we're going to show, so it says #1, so we're just going to show the #1 with our fingers. #1, we're just going to twist our hand when we're saying 1, so it's #1. Let's go from the beginning, and we're going to do another movement, and that's it. So it's whoa, circle, A, and crazy, and whoa, clap, #1. And now we're going to do the baby thing. So it's just pretend you have a baby here, you're holding the baby, you know, like this movement. That's it. So it's baby. That is it. From the beginning, and we are done. You know, this dance is actually very slow, so you have time to do everything, so we don't even have to do it faster than we're going to do it now. So, let's do it one more time, and we're done. Whoa, circle, A, and crazy. Whoa, clap, #1, baby. That is it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!